Time to cut. Look at that. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Right now I've got something delicious for you. We're gonna make a high protein breakfast burrito. Rob, what is that? You've got ground turkey, you've got mushrooms, you got spinach, you got shallots, you've got a little bit of parsley, you got pico de gallo, you got cheese, you got really good home fries. All that together in a homemade flour tortilla. What is not to like? This burrito gives you energy, makes you feel happy, you still get that flavor, fills your gut up, but you're not wanting to take a nap in an hour and a half. How's that sound? Stay tuned. Let's get cooking. Let's get prepping. Let's cut our mushrooms. We're just gonna do a nice slice and dice. Let's chop our shallots. Let's do a rough chop on our spinach. Let's chop up some parsley. Let's cut up our potato. Once we have these cut up, we're gonna rinse them a couple times, get rid of the extra starch, and dry them off. Let's do some cooking. Let's set our burner to medium-high, 10-inch skillet, warmed up. We're gonna add some olive oil. To our hot pan and oil, we're gonna add our potatoes. Fresh cracked pepper, salt, what we're going to do is put them into this pan without the oil and let it strain. Do a little seasoning, a little more salt, fresh cracked pepper. It's going to be ready to go. Medium-high heat. A little bit more olive oil, tablespoon-ish, maybe a little more. To that we're going to add some shallot, 2 tablespoons or so. Probably good there. Mushrooms, do about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Let's add a tablespoon butter. Butter makes it better. Gonna reduce the size of those mushrooms, get them caramelized a little bit. Same with the onions. Down a little bit. Want these to caramelize, not burn. Flavor. We can add to that about a cup chopped spinach. Let that release its liquid. It's looking pretty good. Got most of the liquid out of the spinach. Still nice and green. I'm gonna set that aside. Same pan, I'm gonna do just a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon or so. Let that heat up. That we're gonna add 1/3 cup ground turkey. Let's mash that up with our salt, pepper. Gonna add our veg back in. Fill it up together. It's looking good. Now we're gonna do a little bit of butter. 2 eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is gonna come together nicely. And kind of mix that together a little bit. Turn it off. Let's plate. All right, first we're gonna start with our beautiful homemade tortilla. Recipe up here or down below in the description. Start with our eggs, cheese. It's about a 1/4 cup. Parsley. You add a little bit of pico de gallo. Now I've got a good pico de gallo recipe in my Tale of 2 Salsas video, so check that out. We finish that off with our potatoes. High on protein and high on flavor. All right, let's roll it up. You know, if you're not stressing out a tortilla to the max, you're not doing it right. You know what I'm saying? Let's get that on a plate. Time to cut. Look at that. That look good? Time to taste it. This is amazing, guys. Seriously, everything is well balanced. You got the potatoes, the chewiness of potatoes. You got the savoriness from the spinach, the mushrooms, onion, there's cheese in there. Then you got the Pico de Gallo. The tomato gives it a little tartness. You got the spiciness from the serranos in the Pico de Gallo and the melty cheese. Second bite's better. It's somehow lighter. The ground turkey, it's kind of lean, so you take a bite and you get some of the fattiness like with the potato and the olive oil, but then you get like the spinach and the mushroom and the onion. It's something different. It's a little bit lighter. You still get that satisfaction with all that flavor bursting through, and you're not feeling like you need to take a nap after. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.